What's going on, everybody? Starting another video here for this upload challenge. Coming up on day 9 or 10. So I got this welded up. Closed up some pinholes that I had that I could find and see. And then just sanding it down as best as I could. Looks good. So back to this thing. I am now going to weld up the panel that goes underneath the rocker. I'm gonna prep the welding surface and then I am going to fit it up and weld it in. Alright, so I welded this in. Did an okay job here. Not entirely happy with this, but under here, I am very pleased with how it came out. I got a camera inside, and even though it's a little droopy here, I got good penetration all the way through. And then got the plug welds. This one's the best one. I kind of messed around with the settings, and this one came out, in my opinion, the best. These were okay. But now I'm gonna just grind this stuff down, coat it, and it'll be done for tomorrow. So, with that being said, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.